Got it.
Thank you, Mama.
There's a lot of water in there. Spin to keep it cold.
Thank you. Thank you.
There's only a little bit more, so.
Hey, what happened? ¿Ya acabó?
Yeah, we won.
2-0?
Going to the semifinals next week.
2-0, right? And this one.
Yeah.
Hey, that was good, man. Hey, you're a very good player, man. Give me 5. Hey, that was good, man. How many did you make? You made a lot, huh? You made some over there and some over there. Damn. Nice, nice. Yeah, nice, nice. Congratulations, everybody. I don't got money, otherwise I'll take it to McDonald's. But...
We're too good for you, Dad.
Yeah.
Hoover.
One,
2, 3. Hoover!
Nice.
Sergio should not get a water. He didn't play.
let's go. They didn't make you.
Hey, he's 14.
Hey, estuvo bueno el juego, ¿ah, compa?
Eddie, where'd you get the water?
Hey, ya va a gastar el agua. Hey, that's cold water.
José. La bolsa de los botes. I'll stay with the guy with the camera.
Alguien está fumando la hora por ahí.
Hey. Where that at?
I smell it.
I stay with the guy with the camera. Dude, I just home. Where my champs at? They wet me, Hey, hold on. You know what we could do? You know how we win? The coach gets the water. Hold on. No, está bien helada, les va a hacer daño. No, está fría, no. No le hagan caso. Traigan los botes vacíos. Niños, traigan los botes vacíos. No, I'm not. I'm too light. Don't be recording it. What the heck? So it was your idea? Which was it? No, Gillo, les hace daño. Get that.
You can't throw the cold water anymore. They threw it away.
Ya lo agarraron.
Very cool.
I am out and about, you know.
Woo! So it's good, huh? Good. Hey, that was good, Oscar. Real good, man.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Thank you.
Hey.
Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Jose,
Thank you.
Oh, snap.
Hoover, say Hoover.
Hey, I told the kids, Hey, do it, throw the water out. Come on, water, throw it out already because we're gonna get wet. Vamos a mojar esta.
Dude, yeah. All right, everybody, get ready. We're leaving.
Alright! Oh!
Hey, mira. Esa cosa.
Oh, here, ahorita me lo llevo yo. Oh, ahorita me lo llevo.
Está jugando con
Oh,
el agua.
great. Look at your hands.
Ey, ven acá. Mírate el agua. ¿Lo viste? Mírate, voy a jugar todo.
Again. Hoover. What do you mean, damn it? I can pick it up more. There you go.
All right, let's go, everybody. Come on.
What do you mean, damn it?
Yeah.
They're gone.
Hey, that was a good game, man. Good game.
That's all I'm going to tell them. That's what happens. Awesome. Triple. We scored 14 goals.
Hey, I'm gonna put all this on YouTube under Hoover soccer team.
Yeah!
So you guys can look it up on the internet.
All of that you need.
Soccer in my hand.
Hey, so you guys be able to look at this on Hoover
Hoover
soccer team, all right? Probably tonight. I'll put it on tonight.
Hoover soccer team. It's Hoover Hawks. Hey.
Oh my God.
Hey, Jamie!
I'm an old school. Is it Hoover Hawks YouTube?
No, solo
Hoover
soccer team.
team.
See, solo Hoover soccer
Where's
team.
Oscar?
All right. In case if you guys don't know it, just call Angel so he can give you the name.
Julio!
right.
Julio! That's later.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah!
Let's go. Where's
ready
you got your stuff? Oh, bring the cooler, Natalie. Vámonos.
There's nothing over here. Boom!
Oh, you broke my cooler. No.
Hoover soccer team.
All right.